Hello, everyone. Some updates have been made to the integration pack for the sound cloning project MaskGCT. Fixed GBK encoding problem according to befriend family diaries instructions. Fixed missing a SpeakNG issue. Japanese, French and German added. Korean backend support. Reference text and language not required. Use Whisper Turbo directly to recognize text and languages. Make sure to install a new version of CUDA. Make sure the GPU is available.
我当然知道啦。
Adjust the number of steps here. The higher the number, the better the quality. But the longer the reasoning. The opposite is faster, but prone to murmurs. Test Japanese.
東京大の山崎里取得人准教授らは、培養液の成分などをしらみつぶししに検討。
Test Korean.
독일 소자울레시트 매칭의 과외 엑설런트 보딩에스 제휴 게시를 알려드립니다. 혜택일 반석 탑승객
Test French.
Français est une langue romane, c'est-à-dire issue principalement du latin.
Test German.
Frankfurt, mein Depia, die Energiewende schreitet in deutschen Wohngebäuden Vorrang.
Test English.
Hi, I am a loyal fan of GitHub community. GitHub has given me a lot of help. Thank you very much.
Test Mandarin.
想成为股票经纪人有2个诀窍。首先，你得放松。你撸管吗？一周多少次？您这频率只能算是个菜鸟。我个人来讲，一天至少2次，早上来一发，吃完午饭再来一发。
Above, thank you for watching. Here is Lu Yu's technology blog.